Hello everyone, this is George from RAMEN EIT project. I am in the great position to introduce to you the challenges that our project answering to. Owing to Industry 4 and the IoT technologies, high amounts of data are accessible. RAMEN project, along with aforementioned, focuses on maintenance activities by implementing predictive maintenance techniques. Also focuses on human support by implementing advanced visualization techniques. Let's move on with our solutions.
Predictive analytics is one of the two main components of RAMEN. In particular, the objective is to detect and predict the current state of a real production environment by using data streams. For that purpose, the tool supports you in the creation of these analytic flows, which can directly be deployed in the target environment.
The Advanced Visualization tool is a technology that enables information linkage between prediction analytics and the software operators. At first, the process ecosystem is configured using a predefined configuration methodology that was developed. Information are there retrieved from the backend platform and aggregated into the advanced visualization components, as we can see in the right of the screen. Components are then projected to the operator's AR environment, where the operator is enabled with different types of interactions in order to inspect the specific details of the process.
It's a common knowledge that manufacturers cannot afford corrective maintenance actions when a costly failure occurs. So one of our impacts is to minimization the maintenance costs, and that will be achieved by implementing several predictive analytics techniques. Furthermore, augmented reality and predictive analytics promises to making predictive maintenance an intuitive and easy to understand and use technology for all types of equipment for the first time.